When was the last time your teacher or professor explicitly forbade you from teaching others how to eat, sleep, exercise, or from spreading the teachings of math, science, or biology? It is simply not possible in the real world, especially when you have been doing these things throughout your life. The knowledge that comes from the development of mind power development and kinesis is not based on magical teachings. Instead, we focus on the cultivation of visualization, the scientific understanding of the body, and the management of one's biofield and subtle bodies. Your achievements are the direct results and experiences of disciplined actions by your mind, body, and soul, both towards yourself and the universe. It is important to understand that teaching requires more than just theoretical study. One must also comprehend and apply knowledge through practical experience. This enables us to demonstrate and teach our loved ones how to improve themselves. Now, many may wonder where our knowledge comes from. Our knowledge does not originate solely from one teacher. It is acquired from numerous teachers throughout our journey. We humbly paid our dues for education and underwent schooling, just like anyone in the institutional system. Through our personal experiences, we are able to share with others who are on the path to uncovering the secrets of this development. The proof of the true knowledge we teach lies in our obedient students who work hard and are courageous enough to expose themselves to a world that may ridicule and harass them. They share their experiences with the world, and I deeply admire them. This knowledge has been passed down through generations, and as it has evolved, the accumulated data and wisdom have been organized into a curriculum system that makes it easier to understand using accessible language. All our educational practices are licensed and approved by various organizations and societies that credit our school and education system. It is inaccurate to assert that our knowledge solely originates from external organizations. Rather, our education has been nurtured by dedicated teachers and schools, with no obligatory commitments involved. Furthermore, our personal experiences have played a significant role in augmenting this knowledge, which we now have the privilege of sharing with you. This knowledge is universal, and it encompasses a way of life. Let us learn to be humble and embrace it.